Welcome, delegates, to the seventh edition of the India Affiliate Summit, co-presented by IMI and V Commission, powered by Optimize Media, and brought to you by Expats Media in association with Tracker. Today, we have a welcome address by, by Mrs. Parul Bhargava, CEO of V Commission. I'd like to hand it over to Parul to kick off the exciting India Affiliate Summit and start the conversation on the future of this industry. Over to you, Parul.
Thank you, Soham. Hi, everyone. Hope you're doing very, very well. And yeah, seventh edition of IAS, how time flies, isn't it? So I think before I start the session, I would like to make sure that everyone is able to see and hear me fine. Give me a thumbs up if you're able to hear and see me fine. Oh, perfect. So as I was getting ready, today morning for the show, very, very excited because IES is definitely a show. I think the most closest to my heart event out of all the 12 to 15 events that we used to do in a year. And I think what I'm really proud of, and I would like to congratulate IMEI for that, is even in spite of the 18 months of kind of no events or on and off work from home or not stepping out of our homes at all, we still have had editions of IES for each year. I think this is very, very congratulations worthy achievement that we have still tried to keep the Indian affiliate industry together, and very much pumped in whatever possible ways the situations could have allowed us. Though I think definitely for 2021, we were wishing that we all come together and we all network and see what's up, what do we do, opportunities, networking, but it couldn't happen. Let's just keep our fingers crossed that for 2022 we are able to definitely do that, and also do our famous IES parties together as well. So as I was getting ready in the morning, I was feeling that how much I miss the feeling of being on stage, how much I miss the connect of the eye contact with audience. And I think for any speaker, it's a very, very important thing to see your viewers and to kind of understand in which aspect you need to dig in more, and which aspect the body language shows that yes, this is good and we can move forward. It's almost like kind of being a radio jockey, or kind of being a TV presenter, that I'm just sitting on the screen, I can't see beautiful faces. I don't know how many of you are ready, how many of you are still in your night suits just trying to catch up with the event. Possibly this could be early morning for many of us here. So yeah, I see emojis flying on the screen. So now I see the laughing emoji and I'm like, good, at least I see some reactions. So yeah, this is great. So I think with this, I will start presenting my screen. Just a moment, I will start. Yes, okay. Okay, please give me a heads up that my screen is visible. So with this, we kickstart, the seventh edition of India Affiliate Summit. How time flies, 2015 was the first time we did this event. I will try to, walk us all through the memories that we have of the past 7 years. this is a presentation. This is a very personal presentation, and I think this year, rather than being very formal, that I mostly am on the stage. I want to be very, very informal and interactive. Let's try to have fun, and because I'm hoping that this is the last virtual event that I will be doing, and next year I will see you all, and you will all see me in person. So this is the entire presentation is about Indian affiliate industry from my eyes, and it's a very personal opinion. I would love to hear what you guys think about it, because a lot of information that I will be presenting in the next 20 minutes or so is completely from my personal opinion, how I have seen the Indian industry in the past a decade and a half. So I would definitely like to know what you guys think about it. Before that, let's just take a quick recap of how Indian affiliate summit, India Affiliate Summit has evolved in the past 7 years. 2015 was the first edition. I still remember the first party where we called Agni Band was staged. How many of you were at the event? Give me a shout out. Have attended all 7 editions of India Affiliate Summit. Round of applause with us all through this time. So this is a recap. This is also apart from obviously my pictures, there's also the count of delegates that we have seen. So when we started India Affiliate Summit, I remember IMAI team, constantly deliberating how many attendees there will be in our show. So in our last physical on venue show, we saw about 2,700 delegates. And definitely, we would like to come back to that in a much larger number. As soon as the situation permits us, we would like to resume masterclass and awards, which were discontinued because of or put on hold rather, because of the virtual events. This year, however, there's a new thing to look out for. Don't miss that in the agenda, and you will definitely have some great insights about the D2C industry, especially in and around the affiliate space. For those of you, I am a new face. I would like to also introduce myself. My name is Parul Tarang Bhargav. I am currently the co-founder and CEO of V Commission. This is, a little bit about me. 15 years back, when I founded V Commission, we were the first, till date, we are the first homegrown affiliate network to go global. I have about 14 plus years of affiliate experience, started with India, of course. I represent Indian industry in various global events. Very, very fortunate. Last two, a little bit personal things about me. Since work from home has taught us a great balance of work and life, so I am self-motivated and optimistic. Not sounding like I'm giving any interview, but yeah, just telling you a bit about myself. And I am mother to a beautiful baby girl and a very, very handsome lab. This is my favorite quote about affiliate marketing, and I strongly, strongly believe in it. Affiliate marketing has made businesses millions and ordinary people millionaires. I think affiliate marketing gives exposure to a lot of young generation to turn entrepreneurs very early in their life. Every time when I meet affiliates, I get amazed of how young, how innovative, yet how successful affiliate marketers can be. So this is one of my favorite quotes, and I think I will not tire of saying this in events, because I strongly believe I myself am a byproduct of this quote. So when I was saying that I will be talking about my personal opinion, I think what I would like to talk about is how I see the Indian affiliate landscape, how it has shaped up, in India in the last 2 decades, as well as what I see is the current state of Indian affiliate industries. Unfortunately, we don't have published research papers on the size of market. So I think from the past few months, since we are all trying to motivate each other about where our business should go, where is our business going, we are all working from home with very limited exposure of the world. We often try to think what's next for my business. So I think for that, from the past few months, I've been trying to brainstorm on what affiliate marketing industry is all about, and I will present some brainstorming notes, which is like my personal opinion. After my talk, I would love to hear from anyone and everyone who has an opinion about it, so that I can improvise, we can brainstorm, and we can see where the industry is headed. So I think overall, as I see, affiliate marketing industry more or less started in our country in 2007. However, if I tell you that Amazon launched its affiliate program in 1996, so we are kind of a decade behind what the industry is, was running globally. And but since then we've come a very very long way. We are rapidly growing. Since its introduction, we were a decade behind, but I think we are catching up with the global industry very very rapidly. The early adopters of affiliate marketing in India were e-commerce marketplaces and banking and finance sector, along with travel. In India, we still majorly work on last click attribution. However, in the global industry, when we work with global advertisers, we are seeing different touch point attribution coming into play. Indian affiliates, I would say that they are the young, dynamic generation of internet entrepreneurs who are not limited to India as a geography, and they are definitely going out in the world and promoting global brands. And obviously, affiliate networks in the past 1.5 decades, when we were the first homegrown affiliate network, we've seen several affiliate networks come up, which is definitely a sign of an industry which is growing. Now, when we talk about market size, this is a number published in TOI a while back, which said in 2016 the approximation of size of Indian affiliate marketing was $96 million. And by 2025, they had projected that Indian affiliate industry is going to be $835 million. So in India, I would say that affiliate marketing contributes to about approximately 10% of overall digital marketing spends. However, in more mature markets, we see that affiliate marketing is about 15%, and in about 15% of total digital marketing strength. I will dig in more into this numbers in my forthcoming slides. It's going to be very, very interesting. And I just want to keep reiterating that this is my personal opinion about the market size. This is again a Pitch Madison report, which was published this year itself, early this year, where they clearly show how different marketing channels have panned over the last 3 years. This is a comparison of 2018, 19, and 20. And interestingly, if we focus on the digital band, which is the last 3 lines in this graph, we see how interestingly digital marketing spends have increased. So if you noticed, digital is the only medium that grew in 2020 by 10%. And digital now stands at number two medium, which has displaced print in 2020 with a share of 31%, up from 23% in 2019. And I want to be very, very optimistic. And this is also the trend that I'm seeing around, that since digital is growing, so is affiliate. These, according to my study and my exposure, these are the top industries that we are seeing in affiliate marketing in India. The ones that you see marked as new are the ones that I have personally seen gain more traction in the last 18 months, that is precisely COVID and after. So e-commerce, marketplace, as well as D2C has always been a constant contributor. In travel, apart from flight and hotels, we definitely see homestays coming up as a category. BFSI, like I said earlier, has been a key contributor in affiliate since its inception. Education is growing. Education was a contributor, but education is growing. Then the last four segments is what newness I have seen in the past 18 odd months. D2C, direct to commerce, e-commerce brands growing very rapidly and gaining a lot of traction. Gaming, online gaming, real money gaming, getting a lot of traction. Web services, things like hosting, technology, software as a service, tools, domains, these categories are also picking up. And of course, health. So, nutraceuticals, health equipments, different health, health products to improve the health, weight loss, memory gain, hair loss, hair gain. I think these are definitely the products that are gaining traction in our industry. Along with this, I think in the next slide, I will talk more about the numbers that I see. Again, for the next slide, I want to tell everyone that this is as per my exposure, and this is where I see Indian affiliate marketing stands at this point in time. This is, in my opinion, the most interesting fact about our industry, and this is definitely something that will make it more intriguing for the times to come. So if I say how different industries in the previous slide that I've shown contribute to the affiliate marketing in India, the numbers that you see as per industries are in INR crores. So e-commerce, in my opinion, about 30, travel about 30, education about 10 crores a month, health 10, BFSI another 20, D2C 10, web services 10, gaming about 30, and other miscellaneous categories, contributing to another 30. So if I look at it, in this trend, and if I try to gain the current size of the Indian market industry, in my opinion, it is about 300 million annually already. If you recall the previous slide where TOI predicted that by 2025 it's going to be about 800 million, I think we are definitely on track, and possibly COVID has not affected affiliate marketing industry. It might have affected a few businesses, or the way how businesses see affiliate marketing or do affiliate marketing, but definitely digital and affiliate has grown. Now, when we have already spoken about brands and advertisers and how they contribute to the affiliate marketing, there are two different angles that we should look at. Sorry, I think Are we running out of
Yes, Parul
time?
ma'am, we've been actually right on time in terms of the discussion.
Okay, I will take 2 more minutes, Soham. So, another important key factor in the affiliate industry is affiliate networks. I will not run through this in detail, but this is what affiliate networks bring onto the table, in the whole ecosystem. And obviously, it goes without saying that affiliate industry is all about affiliates. And I would like to give a whole round of applause to Indian affiliates who are Indian by nationality but global by reach. And Indian affiliates go beyond India as a geography. And I won't be wrong in saying that for most global networks, Indian affiliates come in the top few. The whole affiliate industry is progressing more towards the performance space. And when we talk about affiliates, it was a term coined in the early 90s where it meant a few segment of publishers, but now this is the whole platter of performance marketing, as we should now or we will soon start to call it. So I think with this, Soham, on time, I will end my presentation.
Thank you, Parul. It was one of the most exciting sessions and very insightful about the future and the market scoping of the affiliate industry in India. Thank you, Parul. I'd like to thank our title partner, V Commission, powered by partner Optimize Media, brought to you by partner Expats Media, and in association with partner Trackia. We'd also like to thank our registration partner, Value Leaf, a digital growth partner, Microsoft InMobi, uh, gold partners Admitat and Welcome Media, silver partner Bird.io, mobile performance partner Collectcent, bronze partner Cashkaro, and platform partner Airmeet. Thank you, Parul ma'am. Thank you, delegates, and we look forward to another exciting sessions coming forward.